They got fried chicken. Look, y'all got the mustard and the spicy onions. And they taking pictures under the bull's balls. We're in New York City, y'all. Look who behind me. It's them same two kids that's been following me. See? See? Look. I'm telling you, watch when I go this way, they follow me. Watch this. See? I think they're following me, y'all. See, they're following me. Look, something's going on. Why are those kids following me? Everywhere I turn, man. I see them. Oh, there they go. They just turned the corner. Shh. Y'all hold it down. I'm gonna start running. Man, look, we're headed to Battery Park. We're here in New York City. In Newark, the PATH trains were out. In New York City, they're having issues too with their trains. So we're just having some adventure, man. We ain't gonna let nothing get us down. We're not gonna let nothing depress us. It's all about adventure. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're gonna go over here and get on the Staten Island Ferry. And one of our patrons, Bear, told me that there'd be mad food out here. And it is, man. I'm seeing all of this fruit, different stands out here. Pretty cool. It's pretty nice right there. It looks delicioso. Look at this, man. Oh, that looks good. I don't know, y'all. Let's go inside. That looks like dessert, right? That looks like dessert. Y'all good? Actually, Bear told me to come check out this hot dog stand in here. Let's see what's up with it. I know that's right. Are they open? There's Nathan's, y'all. Look, Nathan's hot dogs. There's a Nathan's and Archer. Oh, remember Arthur Treachers? Okay, y'all. So the Nathan's is over there, and that hot dog. Y'all want hot dogs now or when we get back? Now. Zoe want hot dogs now. So this might be a good time right here. Looks like you gotta go inside, y'all. It's called Lynn's Papaya. Lynn's Papaya, y'all. Let's go check it out. Let's go check out Lynn's Papaya. They got fried chicken. They got all this. Are you in line? No, you're good. Okay. Y'all order. You got dogs ready? What's up? Hot dogs? Yeah, ready. You go ask him. I've never been here. Beef. So you good, right? Inshallah.
Want cheese or just regular?
So we getting these hot dogs, y'all, at request of Bear. Bear, we're doing this for you, man. Bear was telling me that people are coming here, trying out the hot dogs, and they're good. These hot dogs better be good.
Cheese dog?
You gonna get the 2 cheese?
You want money?
All right, y'all. They contemplating what they're gonna do here.
Can I get a small fry too? A fry and a 2 cheese.
2 cheese dog and a banana french fry, right?
How much is one hot dog? How much is one hot dog?
One hot dog, ketchup, mustard, food wala. Cheese, 475.
You have onions?
Yeah.
I'll take the onions. I'll take the onions. Onions and mustard. You get fries too? That's Zach, y'all. Zach got the 2
You want
cheese.
spicy mustard or regular mustard?
Spicy.
Then one onion, right?
Look, y'all got the mustard and the spicy onions. We're here at Lynn's Papaya, man. I'm about to get this hot dog right here. We got that hot dog, got that Frank. My son was asking, was it beef? Look, I know beef from pork. This is a beef hot dog. It's got those spicy onions. Can you see the spicy onions? Let me move out of the way. Can y'all see that? See that? See that? Let me put my head closer.
What is the channel, brother? Net TV. Good. I subscribe today.
Thank you.
Okay.
The hot dog is really good, man.
Yeah, thank you.
That's the Frank right there. I'm messing it up, y'all can't really see it. That's that Frank. Got a nice snap to it. We about to get on Staten Island Ferry next. Also got lemon juice. It's not that hood lemon juice, it's good. The hood lemon juice is good, but y'all know I would have to put water in half of it. Perfect. I'm gonna eat the rest of this hot dog and let's go now. It's worth it, man. Come by anytime you're coming to the Staten Island Ferry. It's free. Stop by. I keep forgetting the name. Stop by Lynn's Papaya. Okay, we're still waiting for the ferry doors to open. As soon as the ferry doors open, there's a lot of people over there right now. The doors are open right now. I'm gonna finish this hot dog off and we out. You ate your hot dogs? You ate both? Get back. Zach ate both of his already. We going on, y'all.
As we run here, no person shall remain in this terminal other than for the purpose of transit.
Here we go, y'all. Can't see out there, right? Now you can. I don't know, y'all. This looks like a COVID nightmare. The children back there. How was the beef patty?
Good.
It was good on a scale of 1 to 10.
I guess I'll give it like,
Ooh, you like right up in front of that thing.
I give it a 7. Like it gets the job done.
She gives it a 7. Hot dogs, what do you give it?
Like a 6.
A 6? For real? They were that bad?
They weren't the best. I make better ones at home.
He said he make better at home. I thought it had a good snap to it. I like the onions. I was good. We going upstairs, y'all. We out here, y'all. We are on the Staten Island Ferry, and it's mad windy. But once again, man, this is a great ride, man. It takes like a half hour to ride over here. Then you turn around, and then you wait for the other boat, and you can ride it back to New York. It is 100% free. So anytime you're in New York City, want to take a ride past the Statue of Liberty, which is actually in New Jersey for those who didn't know, and then come back to Manhattan. Staten Island is New York City too, but it's a nice ride, man. It's really breezy out here, and it's a beautiful day, man. It's a beautiful day, man, and we'll see you when we get back. Y'all, we did the Staten Island Ferry. We're going back out. These people are not online to take a picture with the Wall Street Bull. And they taking pictures under the bull's balls.